Welcome to today's lesson on contractions in English. Contractions help us sound more relaxed and informal in our language. Today we'll specifically focus on how to use contractions in the negative form of simple present action verbs. When we use contractions in English, we shorten words. Okay, we shorten words to make them sound more casual or informal. For the negative form of the simple present tense, we can use contractions for do not and does not. Here's how. For do not, say don't. Okay, we use don't for subjects like I, you, we, and they. And does not will be changed and contracted to doesn't, like so. We use doesn't for subjects like he, she, and it. Let's see more examples. I don't play soccer. You don't watch TV. We don't eat meat. They don't like spicy food. He doesn't speak Spanish. She doesn't dance. It doesn't rain every day. Remember, don't is for plural subjects, okay? And doesn't is for singular subjects, he, she, and it. These contractions make the sentences shorter and easier to say in everyday conversations. And that's all for contractions. Remember, they're just short forms of words to make speaking easier. So instead of saying do not, we say don't. And instead of does not, we say doesn't. Simple, right? Keep practicing these contractions now, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. Thanks for joining us today, and see you next time for more fun English lessons.